We just got done watching the movie Down on Hulu. It is it came out in 2019. It is 1 hour and 22 minutes in length. It's considered a thriller horror movie. It's a pair of coworkers get trapped in an elevator over a long weekend. But what at first promises to be a romantic connection turns nefarious as each party begins to reveal who they truly are. I thought this was pretty good. I'll see if I can find a link. If I can, I'll put it below. If you've seen this movie Down, let me know what you thought of it. I would give this I would say, a 3 out of 5. Just because the build-up for the first half was a bit on the slow side for me.
For an elevator movie, horror movie, I'd say a 4 actually, because they always make the horror movies for elevators always be a certain way or a certain style, and this brought a new style.
Yeah, I see that.
So I'll give it a 4, even though it was a slow build up.
Yeah,
but I'd say 4.
Yeah, I think they did a pretty good job. The casting was done well. The story was good. The acting was good. Like, it was a pretty good movie. Let me know in the comment section if you haven't seen this. Have you seen any movies that take place where the entire movie takes place in an elevator? Because there aren't a lot of movies that have done that, but there are some. And I'm not necessarily speaking about horrors. I'm just talking about movies in general that take place solely in an elevator. Well, thank you so much for watching this. And like I said, I gave it a 3. Lisa's gave it a 4. And I will link it below. Thanks for watching this video.